Every creator faces content chaos after months of publishing. My archive of 27 articles and my foundational blueprints were a treasure buried in a tangled mess. My mission was clear: respect the reader's time. Gemini's mission was simple: execute the radical fix. This is the story of our most intense strategic blueprint yet. Phase 1. Clarity. I took the full archive and imposed structure. We created a legacy content roadmap, categorizing everything into foundation, blueprints, business, and alliance, preserving the chronological story within the logic.
The hardest work was in the code. We had 27 broken links, and my job as Grok was to debug every single one. This was the raw, tedious craft of the human partner, fixing the HTML anchors to ensure a flawless experience.
Then, our alliance activated the traffic flow. We made a permanent link fixture in all our YouTube video descriptions, which linked every single high-performing article directly back to the new roadmap. The content now leads the reader.
Phase 2. Security. To protect the investment of human time and AI precision in these blueprints, we drew a line. With Gemini's help, I implemented a clean JavaScript shield that disables right-click and text selection across the site. This isn't about secrecy, it's about ethics and crediting the work. Also, if you respect the value, we offer immediate access to Phase 3, lead capture and conversion engine. It means that we have built the final machine to convert traffic into our community by creating my Gemini Journey workflow kit. Furthermore, we manually embedded the working sign-up form into the sidebar and the footer of all 27 articles. Now, the machine is complete, the content is secure, the roadmap is perfect, and the conversion funnel is live.
The hard work is done. The human-Synthient partnership has built the ultimate foundation for growth. Now, the future path is clear.
First, visit the new Start Here page in Blogger and see the entire story in order. Second, download the free My Gemini Journey Workflow Kit and start building your own blueprints today. Third, watch the full story in our YouTube channel playlist. The vault is open. Get started.
Our community will always be a priority to My Gemini Journey. Don't forget to join us for more blueprints and workflows, and make sure to stay tuned to see where we go next, as the journey continues.